Question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay. Let the point be P. जो ये हमें coordinates find करने इस point के, हमने assume किया कि ये point P है. Let that point be P. Okay. And P के हमें coordinates find करने हैं, coordinates हमें पता नहीं है, and the coordinates be X and Y. Okay, P हमने assume कर लिया is with the coordinates X and Y which divide the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, having assumed this, अब हम section formula use करेंगे. Okay, so to get the values of X and Y using the, now we use the section formula to get the values of X and Y. Okay, so X is equal to 2 into 4. Okay, plus X is equal to 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 upon 2 plus 3. Okay, and Y is equal to 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3. Okay, so X की value we can find and Y की value also now we can find. We'll solve the equation. X is equal to 8. 3 into -1 is -3. -3 upon 5 and Y is equal to 3 to the 6. Sign negative आएगी यहाँ पे. Plus 21 upon 5. So X is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. So X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to -6 plus 21 is 15 upon 5. Therefore, Y is equal to 3. So the point that divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3 is the point having the coordinates 1 and 3. Okay, so point P with coordinates 1 and 3 divides the given segment in ratio 2:3. ये आंसर है. Okay, now we'll take question number 2. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining A, coordinates 4, -1 and -2, -3. Okay, friends, हमको यहाँ पे एक लाइन सेगमेंट दिया गया है A and B. Okay, जिसमें A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं 4 and -1 and B के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं -2, -3. Now it is said that trisection of AB मतलब AB के 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स करने हैं. So हमने 2 पॉइंट्स क्रिएट किए हैं P and Q जो कि AB को 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. AP, PQ and QB तीनों ही सेगमेंट्स इक्वल लेंथ के हैं. ओके, और हमको P and Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करने हैं. ओके, सो गिवन दैट A कोऑर्डिनेट्स 4, -1 and B coordinates -2 and -3. Okay, also given that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Okay, जब हम P कोऑर्डिनेट की वैल्यूज फाइंड करेंगे हमें एक बात ये ध्यान रखनी है कि P से पहले एक ही पार्ट आता है सेगमेंट का AP और P के बाद 2 पार्ट्स आ रहे हैं PQ and QB. So P is a point जहां पे AB इंटरनली 1:2 के रेशियो में डिवाइड हो रहा है. दिस इज द 1 रेशियो एंड ये वाला पार्ट 2 पार्ट्स है. सो दिस इज द 1:2 रेशियो. सिमिलरली जब हम Q वाला कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करेंगे हमको तब ये ध्यान रखना है कि Q से पहले 2 पार्ट्स आ रहे हैं, 2 सेगमेंट्स आ रहे हैं AP एंड PQ और Q के बाद 2 पार्ट्स, एक ही पार्ट आ रहा है QB. सो पॉइंट Q डिवाइड्स द लाइन सेगमेंट in the ratio 2:1. 2:1. Okay, so now we have understood that P divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2 and Q divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1, and now by using the section formula we will find the values of P and Q. We will find the coordinates of P and Q. Let us see what it turns out to be. So P is equal to, we have to find two coordinates. Okay, so this is 1 into -2. Okay, 1 is this part and -2 है ये वाला part, x2 plus 2 into 4 upon 1 plus 2, and the second coordinate is 1 into -3. Second coordinate is 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 upon 1 plus 2. ओके, ये P के दो कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल जाएंगे हमको इससे. नाउ लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई दिस. सो P इज इक्वल टू 1 into -2 is -2 plus 2 4s are 8 upon 3. Second coordinate is -3. 2 minus 1 is 2 into -1 is -2. This is -2 upon 3. Okay, so the value of coordinates of P is equal to -2 plus 8 is 6. 6 upon 3 is 2, and -3 minus 2 is -5. -5 upon 3. So we have found the value of coordinates of P. Okay, now in the same manner we will find the value of coordinates of Q. So P we have found as 2 and -5 upon 3. We will find Q now. Just as we have found P, we will find Q again using the section formula. Q is equal to 2 into -2 plus 1 into 4 upon 1 plus 2, and the second is 2 into -3 plus 1 into -1 upon 1 plus 2. Let us simplify this. 2 into -2 is -4 plus 4 upon 3. 2 into -3 is -6 minus 1 upon 3. ये तो पूरा ही कैंसिल हो जाएगा. -4 plus 4 is 0 upon 3 is 0. So this is 0 and -7 upon 3. This is the Q coordinate. Okay, so we have found P coordinate, that is 2 and -5 upon 3, and Q coordinate is 0 and -7 upon 3. So Q coordinate is 0 and -7 upon 3. So these are the 2 points which would divide segment AB into 3 equal parts, where A is 4 and -1 and B is -2 -3. इन दो पॉइंट से ये सेगमेंट 3 पार्ट्स में इक्वली डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ओके, सो P is equal to 2 and -5 upon 3 and Q is equal to 0 and -7 upon 3. This is the answer. Question number 3. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in the figure. Niharika runs 1/4 of a distance of AD on second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance of AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between the two flags? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segments joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे हमने ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, ये AD है, ओके, जहां पे हमने फ्लावर प्लॉट्स प्लेस किए हैं 1 मीटर के गैप पे, ओके, एंड ये AB है जहां पे लाइंस ड्रॉ करी गई हैं एंड द रनर्स आर रनिंग. At this point on this line, Niharika runs to 1/4 of the distance of AD. AD ये है जहाँ 100 flower pots रखे हैं at a gap of 100 meter. So AD का distance हो गया, let us name this A, D, B and C. 100 flower pots रखे गए हैं AD पे जो कि एक दूसरे से 1 मीटर के गैप पे हैं. So AD की लेंथ इज 100 मीटर. Okay, Niharika runs in the second lane along the AD, okay, and covers a distance of 1/4 of AD. So she covers a distance of 25 flower pots, that is 25 meters. Okay, so Niharika के जो coordinates बनेंगे that would be 2 and 25. Okay, now in the eighth line, Preet runs. Okay, and she again runs along the AD, and she is able to cover 1/5 of the distance, 1/5 of the flower pots of AD. So if there are 100 flower pots, Preet is able to reach till the 20th flower pot because that is 1/5 of 100. And she is running in the 8th lane. So Preet के जो coordinates हैं, that is 8 and 20. Okay, and we are supposed to find the distance between these two coordinates. Preet and Niharika के बीच में कितना distance है हमको वो find करना है. आगे जो next part है, रश्मि को flag कहाँ place करने है, blue वाला, तो वो हम पहले distance find कर लेंगे, उसके बाद आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, let us start the solution. Solution में हमें एक rectangular plot दिया गया है. Given rectangular plot A, B, C, D. Okay, AD is given to us as 100 meter because 100 pots are placed. Okay, Niharika runs in the second lane and she covers 1/4 of the distance. So coordinates of Niharika 2 and 25. Coordinates of Preet are 8 and 20. Okay, and we have to find the distance between the two. Okay, so distance का formula हम use करेंगे यहाँ पे. Distance between two flags is equal to 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25 whole square under root. Okay, so 8 minus 2 is 6 square plus 20 minus 25 is minus 5 square under root, and this is equal to 36 plus 25 under root, and this is equal to 36 plus 25 under root, and this is equal to 61 under root. So the distance between the two is under root 61 meters. Okay, now the question asks us a point where Rashmi should place the flag. If Rashmi has to place a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she place her flag, post her flag? So Rashmi यहाँ पे कहीं पे flag post करेगी अपना अगर. Okay, so this part and this part would be equal. Okay, and if they are equal, they are in the same ratio, that is 1:1. Okay, now यहाँ पे हम section वाला formula use करेंगे because ratio में divide हो रहा है वो. Okay, हमें ये वाला point find करना है. Okay, so let that point जो हमने mark किया था वहां पे, let that be known as xy with the coordinates xy. Okay, हमें इसको रश्मि का पॉइंट बता देते हैं. ओके, सो हमें x और y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, एंड वी नो दैट निहारिका से रश्मि एंड रश्मि से प्रीत द डिस्टेंस इज सेम, सो द रेशियो इज 1:1. ओके, सो रश्मि का ये पॉइंट वो है जो निहारिका और प्रीत के डिस्टेंस को इक्वल में डिवाइड कर दे रहा है। रश्मि's फ्लैग इज बिटवीन निहारिका एंड प्रीत's flag. It is the midpoint between the given two flags and divides the distance in 1:1 ratio. ओके ये वाला पॉइंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हमने 1:1 रेशियो में उसे डिवाइड करना है। ओके सो अब रश्मि के कोऑर्डिनेट्स अगर एक्स वाई हैं तो हमें एक्स और वाई की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। ओके एक्स वाई हियर इज इक्वल टू 2 + 8, यहाँ पे इंटू 1 ही करना है तो विल राइट इट एज इट इज, मल्टीप्लाई करना है 1 से तो वो वही वैल्यू रहने वाली है 2 + 8 अपॉन अगेन 1 + 1 is 2. Okay, and the next part is 20 + 25. Again they are multiplied by 1. Let us not forget that. Upon 1 + 1 again 2. So x y is equal to 2 + 8 is 10 plus 2 upon 2 is 5, and 20 + 25 is 45 upon 2 is 45 upon 2 is 22.5, but we'll write it as 45 upon 2. So this is the point जो कि exactly बीच में आएगा रश्मि और निहारिका और प्रीत के। Hence, Rashmi should post the blue flag at coordinates 5 and 45 upon 2. ओके अब इसकी सिचुएशन देख लेते हैं हम ऊपर फिगर में। सी इट इज 5 and 45 upon 2, so 5 is this lane, okay, and 45 upon 2 is 22.5. so exactly बीच में 20 और 25 का मिड पॉइंट is 22.5. let us draw a line over here. Okay, and this is the point where Rashmi should place the flag. It is in the 5th line, okay, and it is at 22.5 coordinate. So this is 5 and 22.5 coordinate. This is where the position of blue flag lies. So this is how it has been found. Okay, so let us take the next question now. Question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. Okay, so let the ratio be k:1. Let the ratio be k:1. Okay, so point 1 -1, 6 point with coordinate -1 and 6 divides line segment with points. Let us take the first point as A, -3, 10 and B, 6 and -8 in the ratio k:1. हमने वही एज्यूम किया कि पॉइंट ये पॉइंट जो एक पॉइंट है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स -1 and 6 है, दैट डिवाइड्स द लाइन सेगमेंट AB such that A का जो कोऑर्डिनेट है -3 and 10 and B के कोऑर्डिनेट्स 6 and -8 इन द रेशियो k:1. अब हमको फाइंड करना है कि वो रेशियो क्या है। ओके सो -1, therefore -1 is equal to 6k -3 upon k + 1. हम जब सेक्शन का फॉर्मूला प्लेस करेंगे हमें ये वैल्यू मिल जाएगी। ओके ये वाली इक्वेशन मिलेगी हमको, जिसको सॉल्व करने पर हमको k की वैल्यू मिलेगी। ओके सो दिस इज -k -1 is equal to 6k -3. ओके सो -k -6k is equal to -3 plus 1. So -7k is equal to -2. K is equal to 2/7. Okay. Therefore, the ratio is 2:7. This is the answer. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A coordinates 1 and -5 and B coordinates -4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also, find the point of division. Okay. Given that point A coordinates are 1 and -5 and point B coordinates are -4 and 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment, so the line segment is AB, is divided by x-axis. Find the point of division. Okay, so line segment AB is divided by the x-axis. Also, line segment AB is divided by the x-axis. Okay, जिस रेशियो में एक्स एक्सिस डिवाइड कर रहा है वो रेशियो नहीं पता हमको. ओके, सो लेट अस assume that x axis divides the line segment in the ratio k:1. Also, line segment AB is divided. Also, line segment AB is divided by the x axis. So now the ratio in which x axis divides the line segment AB is not known. Let us assume that the ratio is k:1. Okay. हम इसी लाइन को कंटिन्यू करते हैं. ऑल्सो लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी इज डिवाइडेड बाय द एक्स एक्सिस इन द रेशियो k:1. रेशियो एज्यूम्ड. ओके, रेशियो हमने एज्यूम किया है, बाकी सब कुछ हमारे पास ऑलरेडी गिवन है. ओके, सो पॉइंट्स ऑफ डिवीजन जो बनेगा दैट वुड बी, लेट दैट बी ए पॉइंट एज P. ओके, सो PXY is equal to -4 into k plus 1 upon k plus 1, and the other coordinate would be 5k. 5k plus -5, this would become 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1. मैं आपको एक बार ये फॉर्मूला समझा देता हूं. हमने यहां पे जो ये रेशियो है k:1 वो एज्यूम किया है. सो k को पहले मैंने इससे x2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, प्लस 1 को मैंने x1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. सो -4k प्लस 1 into 1 is 1 divided by the addition of these two, k plus 1. In the second case, finding the y coordinate for the point that divides, so what I did was I multiplied y2 with k and then y1 with 1. So y1 is -5 into 1 is -5 upon k plus 1. This is the formula to find the coordinates. Okay. Now we also know that x-axis पे y coordinate की वैल्यू 0 होती है. Okay. So हम इस इक्वेशन को y के कोऑर्डिनेट को 0 लेके आगे वर्कआउट करते हैं. ओके, वी ऑल्सो नो दैट y कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ एनी पॉइंट ऑन x एक्सिस is always 0. Okay, so in that case 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1 is 0. y coordinate तो यही है हमारा. 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1 is equal to 0. ओके, जो हमारा y कोऑर्डिनेट है यहाँ पे, जो हमने एक्स वाई के कोऑर्डिनेट्स में y को फाइंड आउट किया है रेशियोज के थ्रू सेक्शन फॉर्मूला, हमने उसमें y को 0 से इक्वेट कर दिया सो दैट वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k. हियर 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. So 5k is equal to 5 and therefore k is equal to 1. This implies that x-axis divides line segment AB in the ratio 1:1. Now let us find the coordinates of the point of division. Therefore, the coordinates of point of division is equal to -4 into 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 and 5 into 1 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1. -4 plus 1 is -3 upon 1 plus 1 is 2 and 5 minus 5 is 0. This entire thing would become 0. Okay. So this is the point of coordinate. This is the coordinate that divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Question number 6. If coordinates 1, 2, coordinate 4y, coordinate x6 and coordinate 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Friends, we have drawn the parallelogram A, B, C, D, okay, such that the coordinates of A are 1, 2, B are 4 and y, C are x and 6 and D are 3 and 5. Okay. Now besides that, we have joined the diagonals also. Why? Because this point of intersection divides the diagonals into equal halves. So this is the point of bisection. It divides both the diagonals into equal halves. Diagonals of parallelogram are not equal, but the point of intersection divides them into two equal halves. Okay. So with that premise, we will start the solution. Okay. Given parallelogram A, B, C, D and A is 1, 2, B is equal to 4y, C is equal to x 6 and D is equal to 3, 5. Okay. We also know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, and this means that AO is equal to OC and DO equals to OB. Therefore, AO is equal to CO and DO is equal to BO. So जो पॉइंट O है, जो इंटरसेक्शन का पॉइंट है O, उसके अगर कोऑर्डिनेट्स x and y फाइंड करने हैं, so how would I find? Okay, so I'll start with that. Point O, x, y. Okay, so इस केस में जो A and C, AC जो लाइन सेगमेंट है, okay, तो उसको अगर मैं O के लिए, O का मिड पॉइंट, उसका मिड पॉइंट O है जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स x and y है जो मैं नहीं पता है, हम फाइंड आउट करने जाएंगे. So first of all we should understand that AO is equal to OC, so the ratio of AO and CO is same, and DO is equal to BO, so ratio of DO and BO is same. So AO and CO are equal and DO and BO are equal. So we can equate the two. जो कोऑर्डिनेट यहाँ पे मिलेगा मिड पॉइंट में, वही कोऑर्डिनेट यहाँ मिलेगा मिड पॉइंट में, तो हम दोनों के मिड पॉइंट्स को इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, इज इक्वल टू मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Now what we will do is we will find out the midpoint of AC and then find midpoint of BD and then equate the two. Okay, so midpoint of AC would become 1 plus x upon 2, that is 1 plus 1, and second is 2 plus 6 upon 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 3, let us write it 1 plus 1 for uniformity, upon 1 plus 1 and 5 plus y upon 1 plus 1. Okay, ठीक है. अभी see we have coordinates of a as 1 and 2, b as 4 and y, c as x and 6 and d as 3 and 5. So again using the ratio वाला formula जो हम यूज करते हैं हमेशा, हमने उसी को यूज किया यहाँ पे again, and because of that हमने 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, रेशियो 1:1 है तो हमने कोऑर्डिनेट्स को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड डिनोमिनेटर में 1 plus 1 ले लिया. सो इफ वी सी 1 plus x, okay, so we are talking about this point and this point multiplied by 1 each. That is why 1 into 1 is 1 and x into 1 is x. So that is why the numerator has become 1 plus x. Denominator is the addition of both the ratios. So when they diagonals of bisect each other, AO is equal to CO and DO is equal to BO. So this is 1 and this is also 1. AO और CO दोनों 1 है. So इसलिए डिनोमिनेटर में हमारा 1 plus 1 आया. 2 plus 6 upon 1 plus 1. 2 into 1 plus 6 into 1 upon 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 6 upon 1 plus 1 is 2. In the same manner, we'll find out the coordinate for the other part also. Okay, 4 plus 3 upon 1 plus 1. 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 1 plus 1. Okay, and the other part is 5 plus y into 5 plus y upon 1 plus 1. So again 5 into 1 into y into 1 upon y plus y. That is how we have got these numbers over here. Okay, this is simple use of formula and putting the values there. So this would become 1 plus x upon 2 and 8 upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2 and 5 plus y upon 2. So 1 plus x upon 2 and 4 is equal to 7 upon 2 and 5 plus y upon 2. Okay, so अब हम इसको और इसको इक्वेट करेंगे एंड देन इसको इसके साथ इक्वेट करेंगे. देन वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ x एंड y. सो नाउ 1 plus x upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2 and 5 plus y upon 2 is equal to 4. So यहाँ से 2 and 2 is cancel. X is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6. So x is equal to 6. Over here 5 plus y is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. So these are the values of x and y that we have found in the parallelogram ABCD. Question number 7. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is diameter of a circle whose center is coordinate 2 and minus 3 and B is coordinate 1 and 4. Okay, so given is a circle and diameter AB. Okay, so coordinate AB, A is not known to us, coordinate B is equal to 1, 4. Coordinate O, which is the center of the circle that we have given the name as, is 2 and minus 3. Center of circle. Center of circle is usually denoted with O. Okay, and coordinate of A is not known to us. So this is x and y. So before we go to find the coordinate for A, which is x and y as of now, let us understand one thing. ये आप फिगर जो यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, जो सर्कल ड्रॉ किया है और हमने एक डायमीटर ड्रॉ किया AB एंड A सेंटर को O एंड दूसरे एंड ऑफ डायमीटर को B नेम दे दिया है. A के कोऑर्डिनेट XY हैं, सेंटर O के कोऑर्डिनेट है 2 and 0, 2 and minus 3 एंड B के कोऑर्डिनेट है 1 and 4. So we have to understand one thing is OB is equal to OA. Why? Because सेंटर होता है वो डायमीटर को इक्वल हाउस में डिवाइड करता है. ओके, सो हमको ये बात का ध्यान रखना है. देन विल बी एबल टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो नाउ बिकॉज ये सेंटर है और ये दोनों को इक्वल हाउस में डिवाइड करता है, सो 2.3, 2 and 3 is equal to x plus 1 x into 1 plus 1 into 1, x ये वाला and 1 ये वाला, x into 1 and 1 into 1 upon 1 plus 1, and the other point would become y into 1 plus 4. ये y1 है तो ये y2 है. 4 into 1 upon 1 plus 1. Okay. So let us simplify this further. So coordinate 2, 3 is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 and y plus 4 upon 2. Okay. ये 2 and minus 3 है. Erroneously it was written as 2 and 3. So let it remain as 2 and minus 3. अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो x है उसको इसके साथ इक्वेट करेंगे और ये y वाले टर्म को इसके साथ इक्वेट करेंगे. So 2 is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 and minus 3 is equal to y plus 4 upon 2. 4 is equal to x plus 1 and minus 6 equals to y plus 4. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 10. Okay, so अब हमारे पास कोऑर्डिनेट A का पॉइंट्स मिल गए हैं. उसमें x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 10. Okay, so in diameter AB, A is equal to 3, the other coordinate is minus 10. This is the answer. Question number 8. If A and B are minus 2 and 2 minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Let us start with the given. Given line segment AB and P a point on AB. Okay. Also given that A coordinates are minus 2 and B coordinates are 2 and minus 4 and AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. Okay, so let us understand this part first. AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. हम पहले इसको समझ लेते हैं क्या इसका क्या implication होगा. AP हम ये वाला पार्ट देख रहे हैं and AB is the entire thing. AP जो है वो AB का टोटल AB का 3 by 7th पार्ट है. मतलब P का जो पॉइंट है वो पॉइंट AB को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है जिसमें AP is 3 and PB is 4 and that is how AB is 7 and then hence AP would become 3 by 7 of ये total. Okay, so we have to understand that P divides AB in the ratio 3:4 and that is why AP is equal to 3 upon 7 of AB. This implies that point P divides AB in ratio 3:4. Okay, so AP is to PB or AP upon PB is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, now the formula that we have, ratios wala, section wala, we will start to find that. So now using the section formula, okay, we will find the point P, coordinates of P. We will find coordinates of point P using section formula. Okay. So this is equal to, okay, let us come over here in the figure. x1, x2, y1, y2. 3 into x1. Okay. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into x1 that is 4 ये वाला into -2. 4 into -2 upon 3 plus 4. This is the coordinate x. Now let us take the coordinate y. Okay. 3 into y2. So 3 into -4 plus 4 into y1. y1 here is -2 again. So this part would become 4 into -2 upon denominator तो दोनों का same रहेगा. This is 3 plus 4. Let us simplify this. This is equal to 6. 4 to the 8 minus 8 upon 7 and 3 4 the 12 minus 12. 4 to the 8 minus 8 upon 7. So this is equal to minus 2 upon 7 and minus 20 upon 7. Point P के जो coordinates हैं वो ये हमें मिल गए minus 2 upon 7 and 20 upon 7 and this is the required answer. Okay. Question number 9. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A coordinate -2 2 and B coordinate 2 8 into 4 equal parts. Okay. So यहाँ पे we'll name the coordinate over here. Put the coordinate A is -2 and 2. B is 2 8. And ये वाला लाइन सेगमेंट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स एंड हमको वो जो पॉइंट्स इस लाइन सेगमेंट को 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उनके कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड कर रहे हैं. सो पॉइंट x, y एंड z shown in the figure divide line segment into 4 equal parts. We have to find the lines coordinate for x, coordinates for y and coordinates for z. Okay, let us start with the given line segment AB. A is equal to -2 2 and B is equal to 2 8. Also AX equals to XY equals to YZ is equal to Z and B. Okay, ये सारे पार्ट्स इक्वल हैं, ये भी हमें पता है. Okay, now the most important thing that we have to understand is जब हम x के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करेंगे तब ax और xb इनका रेशियो रहेगा 1:3. ये 1 पार्ट है और ये 1 2 3 3 पार्ट्स हैं. जब हम y कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करेंगे तो पॉइंट y जो है वो ab को डिवाइड करता है. यहाँ पे 2 पार्ट्स और यहाँ पे 2 पार्ट्स हैं तो 2:2 में. एंड जब हम z कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड करेंगे we have to understand that point z divides line segment AB in the ratio 1 2 3 and 1. Z is equal to 3:1. Okay, now we just have to put the section formula individually for x, y and z and then we'll be able to find the values of the points, coordinates for these points. Let us start by finding the coordinates for point x. So x is equal to section formula, okay, x1 y1 x2 y2. So 1 into 2, this 1 into x2, 1 into x2 plus 3 into x1 is -2 upon 1 plus 3. Okay, and the other coordinate would be 1 into 8 plus 3 into 2 upon 1 plus 3. Okay, हम इसी तरह से y and z भी लिख लेते हैं फिर उसको सॉल्व करते हैं. y is equal to 2 into x2 that is 2 plus 2 into x1 that is -2 and here it would be 2 plus 2. Okay, here it would become 2 into y2. y2 is 8 plus 2 into y1. 2 into y1 is 2 upon 2 plus 2. Okay, and the last is z. Z is equal to 3 into x2, that is 3 into 2 plus 1 into x1, that is minus 2 upon 1 plus 3, and here it would become 3 into 8. 8 is y2 plus 1 into y1. y1 is 2 upon 1 plus 3. फ्रेंड्स, इस तरह से लिखने का एक पर्पस है. What I wanted to show you is सिर्फ ये वाले रेशियोज चेंज हो रहे हैं. 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 2 1 3 2 1. You will observe it over here. 1 2 3 and 3 2 1. बाकी वैल्यू सब सेम ही है. ओके, बिकॉज कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है, सिर्फ रेशियोज चेंज हो रहे हैं. सो हमें सिर्फ रेशियोज के नंबर चेंज करने हैं, कोऑर्डिनेट्स तो वो के वही रहने वाले हैं. Okay, so now let us simplify and complete the answer, complete the sum. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 upon 4. And the second part is 8 plus 6 upon 4. Denominator सब जगह पे 4 ही आने वाला है. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into 2 minus 2 is 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 upon 4, and the second part is 2 8s are 16 plus 2 2s are 4. 16 plus 4 upon 4. The third part is 3 into 2 is 6. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 upon 4, and 3 8s are 24 plus 2 upon 4. So this is equal to, coordinates are 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus 4 upon 4 is minus 1, and 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 upon 4 can be simplified and written as 7 upon 2. 4 minus 4 0, so this coordinate would become 0, and the second would become 16 plus 4 20 upon 4 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4, and 4 upon 4 is 1, and 24 plus 2 is 26 upon 4 is 13 upon 2. Okay, so these are our answers. Okay, x की value है minus 172, minus 1 and 7 upon 2. So this is minus 1 and 7 upon 2. This is 0 and 5, and the last is 1 and 13 upon 2. 1 and 13 upon 2. Okay, so let us write this here. X के point पे it is 1 is to 3, y के point पे it is 2 is to 2, and z के point पे it is 3 is to 1, and this solves our answer. Okay, so x is equal to minus 1 and 7 upon 2, y is equal to 0 and 5, and z is equal to 1 and 13 upon 2. This is the answer. Question number 10. Find the area of rhombus if its vertices are 3 0, 4 5, minus 1 4, and minus 2 minus 1 taken in order. Area of rhombus is equal to product of its diagonals. Friends, हमने यहाँ पे एक rhombus draw कर लिया है A, B, C, D, and we have named the coordinates as given. So A is 3 0, B is 4 5, C is minus 1 4, and D is minus 2 minus 1. एंड हमने इसके बस साथ साथ AC और DB को भी ज्वाइन कर लिया है, बिकॉज हम एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस फाइंड करने के लिए हमको डायगोनल्स चाहिए. तो हम इसमें 2 स्टेप्स करेंगे. इन फर्स्ट स्टेप हम AC की लेंथ फाइंड करेंगे एंड इन द सेकेंड स्टेप हम DB की लेंथ फाइंड करेंगे. कोऑर्डिनेट A और C हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, सो वी कैन फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ AC विद द फॉर्मूला, एंड कोऑर्डिनेट्स D और B भी हमारे पास है, सो विद द सेम फॉर्मूला वी कैन फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ DB ऑल्सो, एंड आफ्टर फाइंडिंग द लेंथ्स ऑफ AC and DB we'll multiply them with each other and 1/2. Okay, so let us start with the given things. Given that ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, A is equal to 3, 0, B is equal to 4, 5, C is equal to -1, 4, and D is equal to -2, -1. Okay, this is already given to us. And we also know that area of rhombus is 1/2 into product of diagonals. So area of ABCD is equal to 1/2 into AC into BD. Okay, so let us find AC first. AC के coordinates हैं 3, 0, A is A and C is -1, 4. A is 3, 0 and C is -1, 4. Therefore, AC is equal to 3, ये वाला x1 minus -1, x2. Okay, plus 0, -4. Okay, and this entire thing goes in the square and under the square root. Okay, so 3, that is x1 minus -1. So 3 x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, so and let us write BD also. B is equal to 4, 5 and D is equal to -2, -1. And with the same formula, we will find the value of BD also. BD is equal to 4 minus -2 whole square plus 5 minus -1. Okay, minus -1 whole square under the root. Let us solve for these. So this is equal to 3 minus -1 is -4. 3 minus -1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4. And this is 4 square plus 0 minus 4 is -4. Okay, so this is -4 whole square under root, and this is equal to 4 plus 4 minus -2. So this is 4 plus 2 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is 6 square plus 5 minus 1. It is 4. 5 minus -1. Okay, so 5 minus -1 is 5 plus 1, again 6 square. Okay, so this is 16 plus 16, 32 under root, and this is 36 plus 36 under root 72. So this can be written as 4 root 2 and this can be written as 6 root 2. Okay, now putting the value of 4 root 2 and 6 root 2 in this formula, so area of ABCD is equal to 1/2 into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. 4 6 are 12. 12 into 2 is 24. Okay, so this is 2 into 2, 2 6 are 12 into root 2 into root 2. So this is 24 units square. And this is the answer.
फ्रेंड्स, आज ही फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप सब्सक्राइब करें, जहां आपको मिलेंगे एनिमेटेड वीडियोस, डिजिटल बुक्स, टेक्स्ट बुक सॉल्यूशंस, नोट्स, डीपीपी और क्विज। और हाँ, फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप मोबाइल, टीवी और कंप्यूटर पर अवेलेबल है। और अगर आपके पास इंटरनेट नहीं है तो तुरंत ऑफलाइन सेट टॉप बॉक्स के लिए संपर्क करें। फ्लेक्सी टीचर, द वन यू नीडेड।